Running a successful field service business in 2025 requires more than just sending technicians into the field. It requires streamlined job scheduling, efficient communication, precise documentation, and real time visibility into operations. That's where ServiceTrade comes in. Designed specifically for commercial service contractors, ServiceTrade is a cloud-based field service management platform built to simplify day-to-day operations and improve the customer experience. Whether you're managing HVAC systems, fire safety inspections, electrical maintenance, or plumbing repairs, ServiceTrade helps your office staff and field technicians stay in sync. It centralizes key workflows from job scheduling and dispatch to digital documentation and invoicing, so teams can deliver service with speed and accuracy. With tools for codes, recurring jobs, media capture, and client portals, it supports operational excellence across the board. In this video, we'll walk through the essential features of ServiceTrade, explore how they support your business, and show you how to elevate your service operations. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the job scheduling and dispatch. ServiceTrade's calendar-based scheduler allows dispatchers to assign jobs to technicians with drag and drop ease. Jobs are color coded for clarity, and techs receive real time updates via their mobile app. You can also set up recurring services and view technician availability instantly. This keeps the team organized and ensures that the right technician is assigned to the right job, reducing miscommunication and last minute changes. Another key feature is the Technician mobile app. Technicians can access work orders, customer history, and job instructions directly from the mobile app. They can also capture photos, collect signatures, and update job statuses in real time, all while on site. This empowers technicians to work independently and efficiently, while giving office staff instant access to job progress and documentation. Another key feature is the codes, proposals, and invoicing. Service Trade makes it easy to create professional codes and proposals, whether from the office or the field. Once a job is complete, invoicing can be automated using job data and integrated with your accounting platform for faster payment cycles. This accelerates the code to cash process, helps close deals faster, and reduces time spent on administrative work. Another key feature is the media rich job documentation. Photos, videos, notes, and forms can be attached to each job, creating a full visual and written record of the work performed. Customers can receive these records via a shareable job report, promoting transparency. This builds trust with clients by providing detailed proof of service and improves internal documentation for quality control and future reference. Another key feature is the customer communication and portals. With ServiceTrade's customer portals and automated communications, clients can access service history, upcoming appointments, and digital reports. Automated reminders and follow ups help improve retention and satisfaction. This enhances customers' engagement, reduces no-shows, and gives client a modern, transparent service experience that builds long-term loyalty. So why is ServiceTrade a great choice? ServiceTrade stands out as a purpose-built platform for commercial service contractors, not a generic field app, but one tailored for long cycle, recurring service work. Its mobile-first design ensures that both office staff and field tech stay connected, and its features support not only operations, but also customer experience and revenue growth. In 2025, ServiceTrade continues to evolve with new integrations, improved reporting dashboards, and automation features that reduce administrative overhead. Its compatibility and platforms like QuickBooks, Sage Intacct, and other accounting tools ensures your entire business runs smoothly from scheduling to invoicing. The platform is scalable, user-friendly, and backed by strong onboarding and support services. So whether you're managing a small local team or a multi-location operation, ServiceTrade adapts to your workflows and helps you grow efficiently. So basically, field service management doesn't have to be chaotic. With ServiceTrade, commercial contractors can simplify scheduling, empower technicians with mobile tools, streamline documentation, and deliver excellent service to clients, all from one centralized platform. So, if you're ready to improve operational efficiency, reduce paperwork, and boost customer satisfaction, ServiceTrade is a smart, reliable solution built specifically for your industry. So start using ServiceTrade in 2025 to transform the way your team works on the ground and behind the scenes. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.